I'm pumping right now, so sorry about the pump noise. Not actually, sorry. That's my life. Anyway, so I'm pumping right now, and I got this, it's called TDS and EC meter hold. And it was just kind of a random free sample on TikTok. And so we're just gonna test it out. So it tests basically how safe water is to drink, but it also tests temperature. So that's what I'm mainly gonna use it for. So let's see. So I'm gonna follow the directions very carefully. Okay, so remove the pen cap, done, and turn on the on-off switch. Place the pen in the solution. There's like a min and maximum size there, making sure it doesn't go over that. And then you're just supposed to like swish it around a little bit. And then it should just like, so that says 326 ppm. Let's see what that means. So that is in the severe scale formation. So that means that I have hard water, which is not a surprise to me. But it's below the poor taste. So it's still suitable for drinking, and it's not really going to affect the taste, but it is hard water. Now, I want to use it for temperature. So let's see how to do that. Okay, cool. So there's just like a little button that you can push, the shift, which is basically the mode. And then I'm going to turn it on and put it in some of my breast milk that was in the fridge, and we're gonna see what the temperature of this breast milk is. It's not changing. Ooh, I should have mixed that up. That is creamy on the top. So I'm gonna try, I don't think the temperature part is working, but I'm gonna try to see if this purified water has a different reading. The temperature part, it's saying the same number every time. So I'm curious to see what will happen with the reading if I use purified water instead of my hard water. It's definitely a lower ppm. It says 32 ppm, so that's like in the high purity range, so that makes sense. And it says 0 when I take it out. Okay, I'm gonna shift, see if it'll give me a temperature. It says 0 degrees Celsius. This thing is not working on temperature. Okay, so that's a bummer. It definitely is effective for testing water purity. So if that's something that is important for whatever reason, great product. If you're trying to use it for thermometer, no, absolutely not. I hope that they can fix that, because I'm bummed. I wanted to test to see what temperature my milk was based on where it was in the fridge, and I can't use it for that. So that's a bummer, but I'll link it. And if you need something to test purity of water, then this is very good for that. Have a good day.